If you find yourself banned from Telegram and wish to appeal the decision, follow these steps to effectively communicate your case. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant details about your account, including your username, phone number, link to the account, and any messages or notifications you receive regarding the ban. This information will be crucial for your appeal. Step 2. Understand the reason for the ban. Review any communication from Telegram to understand why your account was banned. Familiarize yourself with Telegram's terms of service and community guidelines to identify any potential violations. Step 3. Prepare your appeal. Draft a clear and concise appeal message. Explain your situation, express your understanding of the rules, and provide any evidence or context that supports your case. Be polite and professional in your tone. Step 4. Submit your appeal. Send your appeal to Telegram through their support channels. You can do this by using the app support feature or by emailing them their official support email address. Make sure to include all the information you gathered in Step 1. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, be patient and wait for Telegram's response. It may take some time for them to review your case. Check your email or the app for any updates regarding your appeal. In conclusion, appealing a ban on Telegram requires careful preparation and clear communication. By following these steps, you can effectively present your case and increase your chances of having the ban lifted.